How's it going, Airsofters? It's Henry here, and today we got another goodies, and this time it's from Primary Airsoft. Let's open this up and see what inside, shall we? Oh yeah, it's got a proper wrapping here. Yeah. Look, get what it is. Looks familiar. This is a KCO2 HPA adapter made by Primary Airsoft. Look really sturdy. It's good. Okay, before we start, I need to big shout out for Primary Airsoft for sending this for me for free for this review. Really appreciate that. Alright, so basically this is the HPA adapter for your KCO2. This is right here, this is mine, so just put it in. So like this, and you've got your M4 Max, a high cap or mid cap, whatnot. Just put it in, voila.